Let's check out this multi-tool from GRITR. We'll start with an unboxing. Got quite a bit of details about the product on the packaging. Nice looking packaging. We open up the box. And very simple, the tool is inside the case. Pull the case out, the tool comes in a little plastic sleeve. And that is the unboxing. One thing I could say right out of the box about this GRITR multi-tool, it seems really heavy duty and well made. Feels great. Feels just as good as any of the competitors. We'll go ahead and start with on the outside here, and we'll fold out everything. The other thing I like is everything comes out really easy. Some multi-tools, you're really struggling to pull the different features out. So we have our saw blade, we have a ruler, which also has like a flathead screwdriver end on it. We have a knife blade, and we have scissors. That's just everything that would pull out from the outside without opening up the tool itself. Pretty cool. And like I said, it just functions really nice and smooth and easy. And then we can go ahead and do your typical, and you have your pliers. And they feel really good. They feel really strong, like you can really apply a lot of pressure. So that's definitely a good sign. And once we're open, we can start to pull out. Oh, okay. So right away I wanted to pull from the side. Right away I was trying to pull from the side, and I'm like, what's going on? So if you come down from the top, you can pull them all out this way. So here we have our can opener. Our can opener with a little flathead. Our bottle opener with a flathead. And I believe this is the multi-purpose cutter here on this side. Oh, and then they lock into place. I didn't lock them all into place. I had them, but one of them I did. And then you, this black lever back here, you push to release. So each one of them, if we just do one at a time, locks into place. And then we push here and fold it back in. Really easy to use, extremely smooth. I like that. Most of the time I'm fighting to get the items out of a multi-tool. Once again, we come from the top, and here we have a Phillips screwdriver. And what would that be? So it features needle nose pliers, wire cutter. Oh, that's in the inside here. Scissors, which we saw earlier. A reamer. That might be this here. The ruler we've seen. Bottle opener, can opener. Bottle opener with flat screwdriver, can opener, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, regular pliers here, blade, multi-purpose cutter, metal file, and saw. This is probably the reamer here. Materials: 420, 440 stainless steel, designed in the USA but made in China. GRITR out of North Richland Hills, Texas. I mean, you want to know the best part? Super heavy duty. I really don't see why you would need to buy a different type, but you know, there's different preferences, different tools. $24.99. This is $24.99. A lot of competitors are double this. You get a really nice case, goes on your belt. Good size too. Like I have just moderate hands, and this is a pretty decent sized tool. And I guess my biggest thing that I'm going to keep pushing here is how easy everything comes out. So we'll go ahead and just spread it all out. So you got your 3 tools that come out there, your pliers, your wire cutters. And we have a couple tools that come out here. Phillips reamer. And then from our sides, we'll start to pull out all this stuff. Kind of crazy pulling it all out at the same time, but I think I got everything out. Yeah. I mean, what a great tool. Tons of functions. Everybody should have one of these, whether you got a go bag, whether you do some hiking, camping. Just having one of these laying around in the car, you never know. You know how this all works. So we're going to go ahead and test out several of these functions and show you how they work. Let's go ahead and use GRITR's own box to test out the scissors. As you can see, I mean, obviously recommended more so to cut paper, but cut this cardboard without a problem. All right, we'll test the knife blade. I would say that's pretty good and locks in place. Let me figure out how to unlock that. Oh, okay. Right underneath the blade here at the base is a push button. I'm trying to do it, I can't really do it like this with my thumb. You push it in and the blade goes down. Not only is this a ruler, it is also a file with the flathead on the end. Nice positive click when it locks in. Could fold the tool many different ways. I guess I'll fold it like that. Yep, and takes the screw. Takes the screw right out. And puts it right back in. We'll try one of our many flatheads here, and let's try the middle one, which is our bottle opener. Click it into place. Could take the tool and kind of give yourself a handle. And we go ahead and undo the screw without a problem. Screw it back in. Works like a charm. I really think this GRITR multi-tool has a heck of a lot to offer for $24.99. It is extremely well built, very smooth. All the tools come out easy, they lock into place. This product's a 13-in-1 multi-tool. Lifetime warranty. This product has a 1-year limited warranty. However, at GRITR, we believe limited warranties lack real grit. So we've created our unlimited grit warranty. So you fill out a form on the website, register your tool, and it sounds like they're going to stand behind this bad boy no matter what. This is a new up-and-coming company. They seem to be producing good products. They have holsters and other products. please check out their site. I will leave it in the description below, along with a link to purchase one of these. Great deal, great product. I don't really, if you don't have one, you really need to get one, just to even have in your car. As always, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next